Hi, welcome to another quick unboxing and impression video. In this video, I will be talking about the newly launched Blackview W50 Pro rugged watch. This watch is currently available on AliExpress for around $50. But before I talk about what you will get for that $50, let me unbox the watch first. So here is what you are getting for the $50. This smartwatch comes with the Realtek 8763 EWE processor and it weighs just around 62.8 grams. In terms of display, it comes with a circular 1.45-inch TFT screen with a resolution of 360 by 360. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 and a whopping 960 mAh battery that can last for days on a single charge and a magnetic charging cable. You will also get an extra elastic band in the box in case you don't like the rubber band. As for functionality, after pairing the watch, you can get notifications sent from your phone. You've got heart rate information and overall sleep state information and breakdown of your night's sleep. There is also stress measurement for your activities such as calories burned, step count, standing distance. All of that is here as well. There is also weather in your area, with a complete forecasts and everything you need concerning weather. There is also female tracking and breathing exercises. If you click and hold the sport mode for 3 seconds, you will get different categories of sports activities you can monitor, and when you go into them, you've got a breakdown of the individual sports themselves. You also get a flashlight which I believe will be useful in pitch dark environment, and a compass. You've got Bluetooth calling, contacts, call history, dial pads, speaker, microphones, and more. You can also change into different watch faces, the brightness, screen timeout, and many other features. It also has a built-in speaker as well. Overall, it's a pretty decent watch considering the price. You can get this watch during this holiday season for just $30 if you use the link that I will put in the description below this video. Don't forget to subscribe because I have some more budget and premium rugged watches that costs from $50 to $500 coming up shortly, which could be perfect gifts during this holiday season. Anyways, what do you think of this watch? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.